Last time on sailing Squiff, we removed the tiller so that I could bring it home and try restore it. Let's hope this works. It's tiller time! So I'm working on the tiller today. I'm going to sand it down. I had to spray it with vinegar because there were some termites. Let's see if we can save this tiller. Yo, hold up. I missed a couple of steps. Let's bring it back. Alright, so first off, I was trying to sand off all of the rotten wood, and then I needed to fill up all the holes. At the back, I needed to squirt in some wood glue, clamp it down, make sure that that was secured, then put the wood filler and smooth it down. Then on top, I had to fill up all the holes because I don't want any rain, water, or anything getting inside of there. Alright, I think we're caught up. Let's continue.
So here it is, the finished tiller. Lorna sanded it and I installed it. The wood grain came back quite nicely. Bolted right in. Great job, Lorna.